Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete Facebook group using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you are using. And now just go ahead and search for facebook.com. So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. Okay? So the next step is you can see all of the groups here at the left side of your screen. So just go ahead and click on the group that you want to delete. Okay? So now once you've clicked on the group that you want to delete, you can see the three little dots here. So just go ahead and click on that and click on delete group. So now if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete group. Okay? So now I'm just gonna click on delete group and then let's just wait. So now when we try to refresh the page, so as you can see, I don't have any groups right here. So when I try to go back here, you can see I don't have any groups, right? So that is how you delete Facebook group. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.